We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you an in-depth, comprehensive look at the Pukavt one. 4-pack Balaclava face mask, ski mask for men and women, UV protection windproof scarf for motorcycle, snowboard, and cycling. This review is based on a wide range of user experiences and expert analysis, aiming to help you decide if this is the right product for your needs. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Pukavt Balaclava face mask is designed as a versatile, unisex accessory suitable for a variety of outdoor activities. Its primary selling points are its lightweight construction, breathability, and ability to provide a barrier against wind, dust, and UV rays. According to user feedback, the Balaclava is made from a material comparable in thickness to an activewear t-shirt, making it thin enough to fit comfortably under helmets without adding bulk or causing discomfort. This is particularly appreciated by motorcyclists, cyclists, and skiers who require a close-fitting layer that does not interfere with helmet fit or cause overheating. Users consistently praise the Balaclava for its comfortable fit. Many note that it offers enough stretch to accommodate different head sizes, from smaller adult heads to larger ones, without feeling restrictive or causing itching. The eye port is wide enough to accommodate glasses, which is a significant advantage for those who wear eyewear during outdoor activities. The mask can be worn in multiple configurations, allowing users to expose just their eyes or pull the mask down to reveal the entire face, adding to its versatility. Performance in various weather conditions is a key aspect of user reviews. The Balaclava is effective in blocking wind and dust, making it suitable for use in windy environments and for activities like motorcycling, cycling, and snowboarding. In temperatures around 40 degrees Fahrenheit, users report that the mask provides adequate warmth, especially when used as a layering piece under a helmet. However, it is important to note that the material is intentionally thin and does not provide the same level of warmth as a thicker knit beanie or a hoodie. For colder conditions, some users recommend layering 2 balaclavas for improved insulation while maintaining a good fit under a helmet. Breathability is another strong point highlighted in user feedback. The material allows moisture to escape, preventing sweat from accumulating and reducing the risk of sweat dripping into the eyes during intense activity. This makes the balaclava suitable for high exertion sports and for use in both warm and cool weather. The mask does not become uncomfortably hot, even when worn for extended periods. Stitching quality and construction are generally regarded as good, with users noting that the seams are strong and the mask holds up well to repeated use and washing. The camo coloring and other available patterns are well received, adding a touch of style to the functional design. The mask is lightweight and easy to pack, making it a convenient addition to any outdoor gear setup. Despite its many strengths, the Pukavt Balaclava is not without its drawbacks. Some users with larger heads find the mask to be quite tight, which may cause discomfort if a looser fit is preferred. Conversely, a few users with smaller heads report that the sizing is perfect, suggesting that fit may vary depending on individual head shape and size. Those seeking a very loose or relaxed fit may want to consider alternative options. Another commonly mentioned limitation is the level of warmth provided. While the mask is effective at blocking wind and providing a barrier against dust and UV rays, it does not offer significant insulation for extremely cold conditions. Users who expect the warmth of a thick beanie or hoodie may be disappointed. The mask is best viewed as a supplementary layer rather than a primary source of warmth in winter conditions. Some users note that when the mask is pulled up to cover the nose, exhaled breath can be redirected upwards, potentially fogging up helmet visors or glasses. This is a common issue with many balaclavas and face masks, and users have found that adjusting the mask to sit just below the nose can help minimize this effect. For those who prioritize a barrier between their skin and helmet padding, the Pukavt Balaclava excels. It provides a comfortable, non-itchy layer that helps keep helmet interiors cleaner and reduces direct contact with helmet materials. The mask is also easy to wash and dries quickly, adding to its practicality for frequent use. The product is available in packs of 1 to 4, offering good value for those who want multiple masks for rotation or sharing with family members. The lightweight design and compact size make it easy to carry spares in a backpack or gear bag. In terms of style, the Balaclava offers a range of color options, including camo patterns, which are popular among outdoor enthusiasts. The stitching is neat, and the overall appearance is clean and functional. User ratings for the Pukavt Balaclava are generally positive, with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars across hundreds of reviews. The most frequently cited positives include comfort, breathability, fit under helmets, and effectiveness at blocking wind and dust. The most common negatives are related to fit for larger heads and limited warmth in very cold conditions. The Balaclava is ranked highly in its category, appearing as a bestseller in men's balaclavas and within the top 50,000 in clothing, shoes, and jewelry overall. This popularity reflects its broad appeal and suitability for a wide range of users, from motorcyclists and cyclists to skiers and outdoor workers. For those considering the Pukavt Balaclava for motorcycle or bicycle commuting, it is an excellent choice for blocking wind and providing a comfortable, breathable layer under a helmet. It helps reduce the chill from helmet vents and keeps dust and debris at bay. However, it should be paired with other cold weather gear for full protection in freezing temperatures. The mask is also suitable for use during outdoor sports such as skiing, snowboarding, and hiking. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to wear for long periods without discomfort, and the stretchiness ensures a snug fit for most users. Glasses wearers will appreciate the wide eye port, which accommodates frames without pinching or interference. In summary, the Pukavt 1 4-pack balaclava face mask is a practical, versatile accessory for anyone who spends time outdoors in windy, dusty, or moderately cold conditions. Its key strengths are its comfortable fit, breathability, and ability to function as a thin, unobtrusive layer under helmets. While it does not provide substantial warmth for extreme cold, it excels as a wind and dust barrier and as a hygienic layer between skin and helmet padding. The affordable price and multi-pack options add to its value, making it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and commuters alike. If you have used the Pukavt Balaclava face mask, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. For more information or to purchase, use the link in the description to support the channel.